Hello everyone, this is my first Animal Company video. I'm playing this APK of Old Animal Company. I don't know if it gives you money automatically. I'm gonna see if I can buy a flashlight. You cannot, so I have to go find money. Okay, let's see what we can find. Okay. Wait, the lock is open. What's down here? Tell me if you want me to do that in the next video, because I do not really feel like going down there right now. Oh yeah, and can you charge while playing? I want someone to talk to while I'm playing. Okay, what's over here? Okay, well, it seems like there's a pond of some sort. Yeah, it looks like if I went in, it'd kill me instantly. Oh. Oh yeah, this is scary. I'm scared. Oh yeah. I don't want to go anywhere. Kinda have to. Let's go somewhere. Seems like where the chicken would be or something. Oh, I'm scared. And if you want a tutorial on how to do this, I will show you if you want to. In the next video, I'm probably gonna get freaked out. So if I scream, don't be startled or anything, because I want to go down here, but I don't. Should I go down the hole? Okay. For content. Oh. So here. There's a barrier? Seriously? Parkour my way back up. Oh crap, I just smacked my controller again. I need to figure out how to... Okay, I might not be able to make it back up, honestly. I don't know. I might not be able to make it back up. It's way too tall. Oh, it's caving in. Okay, his headset just died. I'm just gonna restart the game. Okay. Okay, I know. I'm gonna turn up my volume on my PC. Okay. Okay. Okay, well, I'm just gonna talk to you, okay? Okay, can you hear me? I'm still recording the video. I'm still recording the video, by the way. Okay, so let's bring me snacks. So it seems like you want me to home over there. You go over there, and then over there. Okay, I have to go in that cave, and I really don't want to. Okay. Well, guess I got to. Guess what I'm talking to the Forsaken Lover. He is on TikTok. Go follow him. You should, because he is very sick. And because I'm gonna tag him in the comments. There's multiple things. So to go over there now. Okay, now I gotta go back out of here, which this isn't really scary anymore because I know what it is now. I thought I'd go that way. I don't want to go that way. And the servers don't work on this APK, so like, yeah, I can't play with anybody. I would go in public, but okay. I think it said go this way, because that way is the blocked off hole. Oh no, man. No, you gotta be kidding. flashlight either. I don't think there's anybody here. Anyone. I am so scared right now. Okay, can you hear me still? Ralph, hello? Okay. Okay, just keep talking to me, okay? Just don't stop talking to me, okay? Yes, I'm in like, the what? There's Slender Man? Why did you tell me that? Okay, that's a... Okay, I'm gonna do that again. I'm scared. I'm scared. I don't want to do this right now. And I don't have any money either. They could have at least gave me a flashlight or something. So it wouldn't make it so scary. Or a stick or something. Something to defend myself. What is... There's literally just the OG iPad and stuff. There's literally nothing. Don't want him. Okay. You do not understand how bad I was scared. What just loaded in? There's a forest. There's a forest besides the one over there, I think. Okay. I'm going over here, I guess. Again. What is Old Animal Company and their problem with caves? Nope, I can't even see to get out of here. I'm not going in there. 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 Nope. Nope. And you don't even know if monsters are in here either. I don't even know if monsters are here. There could literally be a monster anywhere in here and I would not know. Wait. I'm not even joking. I saw like an eye or something. Is it just telling me to go in there? I don't want to. Maybe I can grab one of these and give back to him. I don't even know which way is to grab items or something. Fresh fun awaits. Might just get a different APK that gives you like infinite money or something. I don't have a watch either, so I can't even tell where the monsters are on my watch. Company store. So this is not official. I mean, like it probably was official once. I mean, like the map. But this is just an APK, like a copy of like the old map. How are you supposed to get money? I'm going down. What map is this? basically just off-brand, lava map. I want to see what happens whenever you die. I wonder if it kicks you out of the game or something. Or if you just die and then you instantly respawn. Make this jump. Oh, I made it. Okay, where's the... What? How am I supposed to make it over there? That, I guess. There's another cave, dude. And watch, it's become very dark now. No, it's not. Oh, I just keep going into lava and stuff. It's just lava and more lava. I almost just died. Okay, if you guys are wondering why I'm looking behind me, it's because I'm paranoid. Because my friend said Slenderman. I died. On the last jump too. Does it respawn me or? Does it respawn me or what? Does it take a while? I'm waiting. Okay. Well, that's gonna be it. If you liked it, I don't know. I'm gonna try to find a different one, like a more up-to-date version, and with like infinite money and stuff. So, okay.